வணக்கம். கோர்ஸ் கான்செப்ட்ஸ். Effective managerial job behavior. Effective managerial job behavior refers any set of managerial actions believed to be optimal for identifying, assimilating, or incorporating and utilizing both internal and external resources towards the functioning of the organizational unit and sustaining in the long run, for which a manager has high degree of responsibility. Manager as an optimizer. Effective manager is said to be an optimizer. According to Campbell, in his behavioral approach, effective manager is said to be an optimizer in utilizing all available and potential resources. The effective manager is expected to work as an optimizer by focusing on low waste and high goal attained. Manager as an optimizer, the actions he is to take will arise from the answers a manager gives to these questions given below. I will quote these questions one by one. First one, what is my potential contribution? Second one, what are my objectives? Third one, what does it take to be effective here? Fourth one, what needs changing? Fifth one, what is organization's philosophy? Sixth one, what can I do now? When they are successfully taking the actions for all these questions, he is said to be an optimizer according to Campbell. Quality traits of process in Triple P model or Triple P method. 1. Answers how managers manage successfully. Second one, manage work instead of people. Third one, plan and organize effectively. Fourth one, set goals realistically. Fifth one, decisions based on consensus but accept responsibility. Sixth one, delegate frequently and effectively. Seventh one, rely on others to help solve problems. Eighth one, communicate precisely. Ninth one, cooperate with others. 10th one, display consistent and dependable behavior. 11th, win the grace. 12th one, express hostility tactfully. These are all the 12 quality traits in process in this Triple P model. Next, we will see quality traits of product in Triple P method or Triple P model. There are 6 quality traits in product. 1. Organizational efficiency. 2. High productivity. 3. Profit maximization. 4. Organizational stability. 5. Employee welfare. 6. Social welfare. These are all the 6 quality traits under product in Triple P method or Triple P model. 4 greatest myths in managerial effectiveness. First one is task oriented skills are more important than the person oriented skills for leadership effectiveness. Second one is male managers are more likely to possess task oriented abilities and female managers are more likely to possess person oriented skills managers. Third one, in order to maximize managerial effectiveness, men should be given the job that require task oriented abilities, and women should be given the jobs that require interpersonal skills. Fourth one, if women want to rise to the top levels of management, they need to be more like men. These are all the four myths to make any job effective as far as managerial effectiveness is concerned. These are all myths, but it need not be true or need not be acceptable by all. What are all the four components making manager as effective optimizer? There are four components. One, mentoring. The manager must be a mentor. Mentoring is the tutorial relationship between mentor and learner, in which the mentor guides the learner through process of self development. Second one is feedback. Effective optimizer acquiring feedback skills both in giving and receiving feedback requires years of experience, genuine interest in the subordinates' well being. Counseling. The manager must act as a counselor and ensure that the subordinates develop goals that are achievable. Discipline. This is the fourth component. It is the responsibility of managers to prompt an individual or a group to observe the rules, regulation, and procedures which are deemed necessary for the attainment of objectives. So these are all the four components mentioned by many experts to make manager as effective optimizer. Managerial grid. In the 1960s, the management grid was originally developed by Robert R. Black and Jane S. Moulton. Normally, it is called Black and Moulton Managerial Grid. The managerial grid model is a assessment tool by which individuals and organizations can help identify a manager's or leader's style. This grid consists of two dimensions. One is the concern for people and the other one is concern for production. The managerial grid helps the managers to identify their leadership style with five basic leadership styles. 1. Country club management. It is a leadership style where the leader is more concerned and inclined towards the social requirements of the members of his group rather the tasks to be achieved. 2. Authority compliance management. It is a leadership style where the leader is more concerned about productivity rather than the feeling of the members. Third one, impoverished management. It is a type of leadership style where the leader directs and divides the tasks, authorities, and responsibilities, but does not go for a follow up of the plans made. Fourth type, middle of the road management. It is a type of leadership style where the leader is not highly ambitious regarding both the employees and the productivity. Fifth one is team management. It is a type of leadership style where the leader is high concern for the requirements of the employees as well as the productivity. Heuristic method or heuristic model of managerial effectiveness. In 1970, Campbell, Dunnett, Lawler, and Week developed Triple P, that is Person Process Product Model. It is also called as Triple P model. This Triple P model is considered as heuristic method or heuristic model in managerial effectiveness. Here they narrated the different aspects or traits of person, process and product for achieving the managerial effectiveness. Now we will see quality traits of person in triple P method or triple P model. There are 13. 1. Ability to sustain defeat, that is, be alert. Second one, ambitious, that is, be assertive. Third one, capable of good judgment, that is, be confident. Fourth one, competitive, that means be creative. Fifth one, decisive, that is, be dedicated. Sixth one, defensive, that is, dynamism. Seventh one, emotional stability, that is, be energetic. Eighth one, extrovert, that means fear of failure. Ninth one, group oriented, that is, honest. Tenth one, intelligence, that is, mentally strong. 11th one, optimistic, that is, pragmatic. 12th one, predictable, that is, realistic. 13, self-controlled, tolerant. That is, 13th one refers the tolerant of that person. So these are all the 13 traits included in person in the triple P model. Now we will see triple P model in bridging the gap. How these three triple P, that is person, process and product, bridge the gap between the individual characteristics which are coming under organizational environment and the result of this transformation process into organizational result. I will explain. All of you see this one. This graph represents bridging of this gap. Organizational environment, under that there are three different aspects given, that is, what are all the input and how it is transformed, that refers process, and what are all the result. Here the input is individual characteristics. Here what are all the input characteristics as a person? Intelligence, aptitude, knowledge, temperament, preference, expectations, ability, motivation, opportunity. These are all the individual characteristics in person as an input. Then how it is processed? In process, that refers transformation process. Here managerial job dimensions, general functions and specialized functions, all these are used in transformation process. Now what is the result? Organization result, that refers profit maximization, organizational efficiency, high productivity, employee satisfaction, customer satisfaction. So these are all the result that will be achieved in product. Product refers the outcome. So this is the way they are bridging it, the person, process and product. In between the feedback is there. So this way, by using the triple P model, the gap is bridged from person to product, that is, from input to the expected result, that is the output.